before this committee, I can cite him in contempt.
Oh,
Huh?
Mr. Chair,
Hey,
hit the slide.
Leave
A
it
number
to
of
me
times.
to determine the
Okay.
lies.
Okay, Mr.
It's
Chair.
not for you to determine the lies. It's for us,
Okay.
the committee. Huh? Okay.
So if
Thank
I
you.
may continue, Your Honor.
Yes, go ahead.
So during that time, SPMC reported 51 patients all in all, Your Honor, including 3 patients who refused to be transported, who were treated there in the site only. And then at 5 o'clock in the morning, that is actually the report of CDRRMO. And then at 5 a.m., Your Honor, it was total melee because omnibus searches were actually done on every nook and cranny of the compound. They searched everywhere, Your Honor. I really had a hard time as to which group I would go, Your Honor, because I was at a loss. There were so many of them and they were conducting searches at the JMC FI school building, at the cathedral, the private quarters of the KOJC members, the Kingdom, the Bible School, the hangar, the Medina area, Your Honor. And this would prove, Your Honor, that since they were armed with an arrest warrant only, then supposedly an omnibus search is not allowed. At 6:15 a.m., Your Honor, even I was prevented from entry, Your Honor. That is the barrier blockade by truncheon-wielding policemen, Your Honor, because I would like to see for myself what was going on in the hangar, Your Honor, but I was prevented during that time, Your Honor. And that is, I have a video of that, and I provided that as part of the barrier in going to the hangar. I heard that there was a general there or something who was in the hangar, Your Honor, together with some colonels. And I wanted to see for myself what they were doing, because if they are armed with a search warrant, then under Rule 126, there should be witnesses, Your Honor. But in this case, even witnesses were not allowed. Let's go to, and then next slide, please. And then after that, Your Honor, and then the PNP placed a tent at the entry point, Your Honor, and they utilized it initially as their advanced command center. They used that, and then General Torre was shooting orders. He has this very nice coach, Your Honor, air-conditioned PNP vehicle in front of that, Your Honor, a few meters away from that. And they were controlling the gates, preventing the entry of KOJC members and other individuals, including the media, Your Honor. And there were times that even my associates and the lawyers of Attorney Tolentino, Your Honor, were prevented from entering the compound. Next slide, please. And even there was even an instance, Your Honor, where the executive head of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ was prevented entry, Your Honor. On day 2, Your Honor, this is day 2, at 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the morning, an identified PNP staff member, Your Honor, pepper sprayed the member of the Board of Administrators of KOJC, Your Honor. We are still determining the name of this person, Your Honor, because we already have an affidavit complaint. But
Pakibalik mo nga yung,
Yes, Your Honor.
yung slide na yan. Balik mo.
we
Yung may
would like
police-
to know the identity of that person, Your Honor.
Pakibalik. Yung may buka ng pulis na nag-paper spray.
Yan,
Yan.
yan. Yan po ang nag-pepper spray po sa kay...
General Torre, sandali. Nakita mo ba yung video nito? Ako nakita ko eh.
Yes, sir.
Ikaw yun?
Ma'am Nori,
Miss
Ma'am Nori.
Eleanor Nori Cardona. From the backside. Ginano niya si Cardona. Tinira niya ng paper spray. Nakita mo yung video na yun?
Yes, sir.
So, ano masasabi mo doon?
We immediately relieved the person, sir, and we have already started the pre-search investigation. And according to him, it's not pepper spray but an alcohol spray. At well, I hindi ko na, sir, i-justify ang kanyang ginawa.
Please do that.
But
Please do not
we will not
justify.
tolerate.
Alcohol
that
ba
kind of
naramdaman mo, Ma'am Cardona? Alcohol? Alcohol yung tinira sa'yo?
Mahapdi ba yung alcohol, sir? Mamumula ba pag masprayhan ka? Di ba malinis yon? Tingnan nyo na lang. Kasi para ayoko na kasi sir mag-ano palagi nagsisinungaling si
So,
Torre.
We have-
sana yung tao na yun. Sana yung pulis na yun.
That's a member of the Special Action Force, sir. And Rex Malimban had already initiated the pre-search investigation.
May we know the name, Your Honor, and the assignment of this person from the good general, Your Honor?
Okay, for the
Commander.
consumption of this committee, please give us the name. Colonel Malimban.
Yes, sir, Your Honor, sir. Sir, the personnel is assigned with the Portiver SAC. He is now under restricted custody. His name is Corporal Lacanaria, sir.
Ano?
Yes, sir.
From
From, yes, sir, PNP SAP, sir, Portiver SAC.
Corporal
Ray Lacanaria, sir.
Ray.
So right now,
He
he is
is in,
facing administrative charges,
yes, sir. We already started the summary hearing procedure, sir.
summary hearing procedure.
Yes, sir.
Please update this committee.
May-
Update this committee as to the progress of the case you have charged against that personnel.
Yes.
Kumsek, take note mo hingin mo. And that does not prevent the complainant to file criminal charges if she wants to.
Yes.
Ah?
Yes, sir.
So you do the administrative charge. Dahil ako nakakahiya talaga. Para bang napaka-traidor na pulis ka. Tinraidor mo yung babae. Babae pa! From galing sa likod, gaganunin mo ng paper spray na wala. Nagsasalita lang naman yun sa harap ng mga tao doon. Tapos, galing sa likod pa. With the element of treachery. I tell you, nakakahiya. Pulis yun. Tapos babae pa yung may edad pa na babae. Mas matanda sa kanya. Gaganunin niya galing sa likod. Tirahin ng paper spray. Tapos sibatsak agad. Oh, we don't want to have people like that in the Philippine National Police. Bakit kung harapin niya, ma'am, ano bang problema mo? Mag-usap tayo. Di ba? Magpakalalaki siya. Ang pangit talaga. Nakita ko yung video. Anak. Galing sa likod. Gaganunin yung babae. Tapos yung babae nagganon-ganon na dahil tinira na paper spray. Oh, pulis tayo. Bakit ganun na yung style ng ating pulis? Kahit na nabuburyong na kayo doon, kahit na agrabyado na kayo ng husto sa sitwasyon nyo doon, bakit? We are trained. Di ba? Be sure to update this committee sa kaso ng pulis na yon. Ako, I myself, I felt offended by that action. Napakapangit tingnan. Tapos nagkalat pa sa social media. Nasisira ang PNP dyan sa ganung klase mga pulis.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you. Go ahead.
Chair, may I please say something? I was there nung lumusob nung August 24. So I would like to surmise that I think the tyrannical behavior of General Torres emboldens his men. The treacherous at saka yung oppressive na kinakaya ang mga taong bayan ng ganyan. I think that kind of leadership emboldens his men to do the very same thing.
Noted.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
may we request the good colonel to provide us the address of Ray Lacanaria so we can move on. May we know his address, sir?
Sandali. Tingnan mo. Paki-play ulit
Yan.
yung video na yan. Paki-play.
Yan, no?
From sa likod, ha?
Oh, yan. No?
Tinira. Tapos sibat kagad siya.
Grabe naman. Tapos
Pangit.
alcohol.
Yan. Ang pangit tingnan, no? Parang walang nangyari.
Your Honor,
Yes.
siguro hindi niya gagawin yan kung walang basbas po. Kasi tingnan mo, lahat ng pulis na kapaligid, nakatingin sa kanya, wala man lang ginawa yung mga pulis. Wala man lang nag-reprimand. Nakaupo, bumalik pa sa upuan, Your Honor, at inabot yung pepper spray sa katabi niya. Wala pong ginawa sila.
Well, that is our assumption.
Yes, that's my assumption po.
We can assume na may nag-utos sa kanya. Pero pwede rin na on his own, ginawa niya yan. We can make our own assumptions. Pero kaya nga, imbestigahan ninyo, Rex Malimban. Sinong team leader ng pulis na yan? Baka yun ang nag-utos. Sabihan mo. Laruin mo. Kung inutusan niya yan, mas lalo nakakahiya tayo.
Yes, sir. Anyway, sir, as what RD Pro 11 have stated, sir, we do not justify yung kanyang action ba, sir? But it is individually, sir. Bagong gising kasi ito, sir. Nung time na yun, sir. Medyo
Bagong?
gising siya nung time na yun, nung nasipa.
Bagong gising daw po.
Nasipa.
Senator.
Sir.
justify bagong gising for that kind of action. I-justify. Special action force tayo. Ha? SAP tayo.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Your Honor.
justify na bagong gising. Porque bagong gising, gaganunin yung babae. Ha? Ay,
Your Honor.
nakakaya tayo. We are the elite. Di ba? Special Action Force. Pag sinabing kayong elite fighting unit ng Philippine National Police, you should be the elite also in terms of character. Kayo dapat ang pinaka-gentleman dyan. Kayo ang pinaka-disiplinado. And everybody is expecting you to act to be the elite people. Lalo-lalo na sa pag-uugali. Okay? Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Just two matters so we can move on. Can we request for the address, Your Honor? And can we ask both officers,
Okay,
point blank, Your Honor?
Give me the address. Give me the address. Anong address?
Sir, as of now, wala po akong hawak. I will just give him time, sir.
Basta
Yung
address.
ano,
Anyway,
Office niya.
address
sa-
niya is Special Action Force.
Okay.
Saan ba kayo ngayon? Sa Santa Rosa o sa
Santo Domingo, sir. Santa Rosa,
Santo Domingo,
Yes.
Santa Rosa,
Laguna.
Laguna?
Santo Domingo, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And just
Sub
one question,
headquarters.
Santa Rosa. Can we ask them point blank if Colonel Malimban ordered his man to pepper spray my client, or if not him, General Torre? Just point blank question, Your Honor.
I know Colonel Balimban.
Yeah, he's a good man. He seems to be a good man, Your Honor. But I would just like to ask-
Marawi hero ito. At hinahangaan ko itong opisyal na ito. I don't think utosan niya yung pusang alaws na, forgive me my word, yung corporal na yan na gagawin yon. Did you order that?
Definitely not, sir.
Definitely no, I'm sure. How about
Thank you.
your junior officers?
No, sir.
No. To continue with the investigation, ha?
Mr. Speaker,
Go ahead.
after the pepper spray incident, ano po ginawa ng ating commander po? Pinatawag niya ba? Lahat ba? Ni-remind niya na we have to protect the human rights. Bawal yan, blah, blah, blah. Ano pong ginawa po natin, sir?
Okay. Did it come to your attention?
Yes, sir. That's why, sir, actually before the operation, we reminded them to observe yung protocol natin, sir, yung use of force continuum. So it was relayed, sir, to them, and personally, sir, ako, sir, nag-conduct ng briefing, sir, sa kanila. Then after that, sir, he was placed in restrictive custody. That's why immediately pinabalik namin ito, sir, sa campus, sir, sa Tagum, sir. So doon, sir, na yung sa ngayon, sir, ongoing, sir, yung
So saan siya
case.
ngayon? Nasa Tagum?
Yes, sir.
Be sure. Follow up yung kaso niya. Nagkakahiya talaga. Ako, yung hiya ako sa ginawa niya.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure, ikaw rin, nahiya ka rin.
Yes.
Very treacherous. Sa likod pa, babae pa. Tapos, parang walang nangyari. Huwag ka sabihin nila, baka isipin ng mga tao, ganun na pala mga special action force ngayon. Taga-pepper spray ng babae. You are trained to fight hardcore terrorist. Not itong babae na nandoon lang nagsasalita, titirahin ng pepper spray. Please, do your share. Nakakahiya talaga yun. Continue.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mayor, I would like to acknowledge Mayor Duterte. Yes, sir.
Once again, good afternoon. I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, but I have to leave because I have other matters to attend to. But may I be allowed to leave a question?
Go ahead. You have the floor, Mayor.
Just want to ask the PNP, did you use tear gas and were you armed when you entered the premises of the KOJC? Mr. Chair, this does not to be answered right now. I just leave the question to the floor. Again, thank you KOJC, thank you PNP for and everybody who's here.
Before you leave, Mayor, I can generate the answer. General Torre, were you armed when you get inside the compound of KOJC?
Armed, sir, yes. We have personnel who has firearms as part of the security of the CDM, sir. Standard procedure.
Correct. You cannot deny that because all the videos
Yes, sir.
circulating around the
Yes, sir.
internet shows that armado kayo, di ba?
Yes, sir.
And also
How about
the
tear gas? Tear gas.
Definitely not, sir, because we don't have gas masks. Okay, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
If we intend to use tear gas, we must prepare for gas mask. Standard operating procedure, sir.
I agree. I agree. You cannot use tear gas kung wala kang mask. Ikaw rin mismo tatamaan. So, you stand by your word na kuan yun, yung ano yun?
Fire extinguisher, sir,
Fire
and,
extinguisher.
And we will show it in our presentation, sir. Maraming fire extinguisher ang ginamit, sir, hindi lang isa.
Yung ilaw, yung usok na yan?
Yes,
Fire
sir.
extinguisher
Yes,
yan?
sir. Exactly, sir. Kasi ganyan na ganyan, sir, ang video na ipapakita rin namin, sir. Pero kitang-kita, sir, kung saan ang galing. Later, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Mr. Chair.
yes, by Dr. Norin Badeo.
I think it is of note to tell you lang that to report to you that in the wee hours of the 24th of August, I approached General Torre and I said to him, ikaw mula't simula wala kang ginawang legal at moral. And then he said, like what? And then I said, wala kang search warrant. And then he said, patanda na tayong dalawa, hindi mahalaga yon. That's what he said.
You confirm? You said that?